Today we are here at Dongkamukam town. We are here, all the APSLC leaders from 20 ST Wathat Langso LA. We are here to condole the bereaved family of our brother Amit Nunisa and late Alo Maibongsa, who has been killed with bullet on last 27th of January while they are on the occasion of Bima Hasu festival. So we condemn that brutal act, and then we want to send a message, the Demasa brothers and the tribes peoples of Karbi Anglong, you are not alone. Even though you are microscopic in number, we the Karbi and all party Hills Leader Conference are with you. We will stand with you. We will be with you always to get the justice for our brother and sister. So today we are here to extend our solidarity to the Demasa brothers of Karbi Anglong and Demasa and the whole of Assam in particular. And secondly, whenever there is a brutal killing to the tribes people, the state government and the central government, their action is always in delay and it's never in action again. We can see in 2005, ethnic clash between the Demasa and Karbi. There is not a single miscreant or anti-force versus arrest in that incident. Totally 41 of the Karbis, even the newborn children were killed at that incident. But till now, nothing inquiry has been done, nothing arrest has been done. So we would like to send a message to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Honorable Chief Tuleram Ronghang. Why are you so silent on this issue? If you are really want to protect the tribes people of Karbi Anglong, microscopic number of tribes in Karbi Anglong, you should have informed to your law and order immediately to arrest the culprit and book the culprit as per law. And then thirdly, we would also like to send a message that this incident should not occur in all over Karbi Anglong as well as Demasa and all the tribes residing areas. So we are very firm. We will be with the Demasa brothers to get the justice of our brother Nunisa and Maibongsa. Thank you.